The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2017 through 2025 Mazda CX-5 with a bare roof. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo Clamp complete roof rack. This bundle is comprised of the 53-inch WingBar Evo in black, also available in silver, the Evo Clamp foot pack, and vehicle-specific fit kit 145079. Locks are available separately as an accessory, but are not required. Crossbars are mounted at 27.5 inches center to center. Weight capacity for this roof is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This is a multi-purpose roof rack that can handle lots of different gear like kayaks, bikes, luggage, and more. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. Make sure to use the link in the description below when making your purchase to ensure you get all the correct parts. Thank you for your support, and like always, thanks for watching.